Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Jawad Hassan. I am a second year mechanical engineering student in UAT TAXILA. Today, my topic is Industry 4.0 in Labbaik Engineering and Technology Presentation Contest. So let's move on. Uh, why it matters. Industry 4.0, why it matters. That what is the why it is necessary. So today the agenda of my slide of my presentation is that what is industrial revolution, that how it is moved from first industrial revolution to second, and it is moved on. So in the first I would talk about industrial evolution, that what is it, and then I will talk about the main points of industrial revolution 4.0. So if I move forward, I just want to ask a question, that what is this. This is a hand grinder, and it is used for centuries in ancient times, and in also in 1800s it is used, and it is hand driven. It is driven by hand, and it's a very necessary and important for whole human civilization. It is used for floor grinding, and then it is evolved. There is evolution in this machine, and it is just converted into uh, it is just driven by water force, and then again it is evolved, and it is also a grinder. It does the same process, but you can see that it is driven by a motor, and you are seeing a consecutive evolution in throughout the history. So if I move forward, this is also a machine, that machine, and this machine is have many motors, and it do the work in just little amount of time. And you all know that what how it is evolved from hand to automation. So if I move forward, how let's discuss properly that what is industry 1.0. It was in the end of 18th century, and in this mostly mechanical components and industrial components were produced, and that was powered by machine motor and DC current, you can say that. And then after in second industrial revolution 2.0, there was mass production of everything, of every machine, of car and many other things. And then if we move forward, we said that industrial revolution 3.0, and it was in the beginning of 1970s. And in this, the automated robotic arms and many other things were just produced, and it electronics, and you can know the transistors and many other IT related products are just evolved. And in latest, it was this is now industrial revolution 4.0, and this is based on cyber physical systems. So if I move forward, now in this I will just want to show that how technology is involved in just a little amount of time. You can see that time to reach the 100 million customers. You know that telephone takes 75 years to reach 100 million customers, and the web take only 7 years. That this process is just traveled from 75 years to 7 years. And if I move forward, Facebook take just only 4 years to reach the 100 million customers, and Instagram only 2 years, and then Pokemon Go, it's only take 1 month. And it's literally very insane that how fast the technology is involved in throughout the whole our community. And you know that now there are a lot of apps, and that were just uh, move into the millions of customers in just few days. And this is the evolution of technology. If I move forward, that there are 6 design principles of industry revolution 4.0. What is the first is interoperability, the ability of the systems to do the to communicate with the, like you can see that industries, there are sensors that are communicate with the computers, and they will give the data, and the technology related things like IoTs Arduinos and all of the systems were the main focus of Industrial Revolution 4.0. And the second one is virtualization, that all the thing would be virtualized. That you can see, like in our COVID, that all the meetings and classes and all the educational institution will converted into the virtual rooms and virtual labs and everything. The third one is decentralization. It means that all of your money would be decentralized. It is owned by no one. Like you have seen that our Pakistani rupees is owned by our Pakistani government, but decentralized money, like you can see Bitcoin or many other uh, currencies, cryptocurrencies, and these all are decentralized. These are owned by no one. And if I move forward, the real-time capability, that uh, that our computer system has so much, they are so much intelligent, and they have so much good machine learning and artificial intelligence that they can analyze all of the data. And the fifth one is service orientation, that all of the service would be given by robots and many other things. And the third one is modularity, that our factories will adopt the change in very fast way, that they can change their machinery, they can change anything in a very fast manner. If we move forward, that what are the main building blocks, that you can see that in 4.0 we have autonomous robots, and there would be simulations and a lot of data and big data analytics and augmented reality mean that you have seen that in Meta, like Facebook. In Facebook we have uh, a Meta, that metaverse, that is a new universe in which all of the meetings and all of the other things will be done in virtual form. Even though we have the virtual character and we can do anything there, anything like we do in our Disraeli life. And this is the Industrial Revolution 4.0. And if I move forward, here is the thing that impact on throughout the whole universe or throughout the whole globe, that what would it impact. It impact everything. Like even I can tell you that I'm a mechanical engineer, it would change the course of mechanical engineering. We are just now we are playing with, not with machines, with electronics, with computers and all of the stuff like that. And if I move forward, what is the political potential implications? That everything would be robot assisted. That robot will help us. They will perform maintenance. They will make the complex. They will make complex parts and many other things. Like they have, we have a lot of data, and everything would be smart. And if I move forward, here it is, the robots are working in Amazon warehouse. In 2013, it was just a few hundreds, but in 2014, it reached to 20,000, and in 2016, it reached about 41,000, and it is insane for all of us. And I give you an example that of Siemens. Siemens is a company that is prominent for Industry Revolution 4.0, and this in this they would make the artificial knees, hips, and joints, and many other things like that. And if I move forward, what is the impact of this? Its impact is on economy, business, everything. Its impact is on everything. Like you can see that in economy there would be a of uh, growth of industries, but there is also a problem that our labor would also in be danger, that there are no jobs for that. So we have to take care of them. So it has a great economy impact, and impact on business, that our business would be more evolved. There would be a lot of data, and data is the oil for this world right now, and everything is just changed in this pollution. And in industry impact on global, that the governments will be changed, and you have seen that electronic voting machine and all of the stuff like that. And it would impact on everyone. And what was the 10 skills of 2025? That you have good grip on IT, good, you are able to solve the complex problems, you are active learning strategies, and you are creative and initiative. you have good leadership qualities, you know how to solve a problem, how to manage it. So these are the main focus uh, of of 2025. So here my presentation is ended. So thank you for that. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.